Adonidia palm, also known as the Christmas palm and Manila palm, plays an important role in tropical landscapes because few other palm species are so well suited for small sites. This species is native to the Philippines, but has also been cultivated throughout the world's tropics for many centuries. Eventually, Adonidia palm can reach heights of up to 20 or even 25 feet with trunks 5 to 6 inches thick and a canopy spread of about 5 to 8 feet. Although single-stem, this species is often planted as multiples of 2 to 4 plants in a clump, which typically grow out from each other with gracefully curving trunks. Leaves are pinnately compound and about 4 to 5 feet long with strongly arching forms. The flower stalks are formed beneath the prominent crown shaft. Clusters of bright red fruits, each about 1.5 inches long, ripen in late fall to winter, giving this palm its common name of Christmas palm. Christmas palms require little maintenance once established. These palms are self-cleaning, meaning that once an old leaf has died, it will drop off cleanly by itself. Performing best in full sun, Adonidia palms can tolerate partial shade, but too much shade causes the trunks to grow skinny and the fronds to thin. Let the fronds drop off naturally as they brown. If you can't stand the look of a brown frond, you can cut it off, but leaving them on to fall off on their own benefits the palm as dying fronds send nutrients to new ones forming. Good companion plant suggestions are small to medium-sized shrubs, plants and grasses that work well as surround or in front include firecracker plants, knockout roses, muley grass, and arboricola. Fruits are used as a substitute for betel nuts, and they can also be consumed raw. The plant is harvested from the wild for local use as a source of beads. The tree is prized by beekeepers for its high-quality nectar.